Good morning, children. Class 5, English, Unit 1, B, Reading, The Best of Friends, Poem. To begin with, as we all know, a man is a social being, which means he likes to live in groups. As the famous saying goes, a friend in need is a friend indeed. I repeat, a friend in need is a friend indeed. This means that a friend who helps you when you really need help is a true friend. Children, the world will become a boring and dark place if we do not have any friends to share our joys and sorrows with. Friends are the ones who fill our lives with joy. Children, happy are those people who have close friends to share their joys, happiness, and sorrows with. And they are the ones who help us in times of need. Children, looking back, every person has his or her own circles of friends with whom he or she wants to share his or her thoughts, views, and take their advice while making a decision. In short, I can say the best of friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there for you. Children, listen to the poem. The name of the poem is The Best of Friends. The best of friends can change a frown into a smile when you feel down. The best of friends will understand your little trials and lend a hand. The best of friends will always share your secret dreams because they care. The best of friends, worth more than gold, give all the love a heart can hold. Children, listen carefully. Again, I'm going to read the poem for you all. The best of friends can change a frown into a smile when you feel down. The best of friends will understand your little trials and lend a hand. The best of friends will always share your secret dreams because they care. The best of friends, worth more than gold, give all the love a heart can hold. Children, this poem was written by Jill Wolfe. The person who writes poems is called as a poet. Now, let's listen to the summary stanza wise. The best of friends can change a frown into a smile when you feel down. The meaning of the word frown is a look of displeasure. And the summary is the best of friends. The best friends make us cheerful, happy when we are in a sad mood. They can change a dull face into a smiling face. Next, the best of friends will understand your little trials and lend a hand. The meaning of the word trials is difficulties. Now, let's listen to the summary of this stanza, children. The best friends help us in many ways when we are in need. They can understand our difficulties and give their helping hand. They come forward to help us. Next, the best of friends will always share your secret dreams because they care. Children, the meaning of the word secret is kept hidden from others. And the summary is our best friends take care of us. They share our hidden dreams and help us, guide us to reach them or to fulfill them. Next, the best of friends, worth more than gold, give all the love a heart can hold. And the meaning of the word worth is valuable or very useful. And the summary is our best friends give us love as much as our heart can hold, our heart can carry. They are valuable, precious, more than gold. Children, once again, I am going to read the poem. Kindly pay attention. The best of friends can change a frown into a smile when you feel down. The best of friends will understand your little trials and lend a hand. The best of friends will always share your secret dreams because they care. The best of friends, worth more than gold, give all the love a heart can hold. Children, repeat the poem after me. The best of friends can change a frown into a smile when you feel down. The best of friends will understand your little trials and lend a hand. The best of friends will always share your secret dreams because they care. The best of friends, worth more than gold, give all the love a heart can hold. Children, repeat the poem along with me. The best of friends can change a frown into a smile when you feel down. The best of friends will understand your little trials and lend a hand. The best of friends will always share your secret dreams because they care. The best of friends, worth more than gold, give all the love a heart can hold. Children, by heart this poem. Learn the poem perfectly. Now, next, let's discuss this comprehension bit, children. First bit, answer the following questions. Why does the poet want to share her secret dreams with her friends? And the answer is, the poet wants to share her secret dreams with her friends because they understand her feelings very well. Second question, why does the poet say that friendship is more valuable than gold? And the answer is, the poet says that friendship is more valuable than gold because gold can be stolen, but true friendship lasts long. Third question, are friends important in life? Are friends important in life? Why? Why not? And the answer is yes. Friends are important in life because they help us always. A true friend does not leave us under any situation. Second bit, take the one you agree with and give a reason for it. First one, the poet says, give all the love a heart can hold. It means, what does it mean, children? It means love is not measured. We don't measure love. It is a feeling. It can't be seen or touched. But it is experienced differently by everyone. Therefore, it is difficult to measure. Little trials in the second stanza means, what does it mean? It means difficulties. Next, rhyming words. Two or more words that have the same or similar ending sounds are called as rhyming words, children. Look at the picture on the screen. Some examples are given. Repeat after me. Bat, rat, bat, rat. Ham, ram, ham, ram. Fan, pan, fan, pan. Cap, tap, cap, tap. The rhyming words which are beside the picture are from the poem. Look at it and repeat after me. Frown, down, frown, down. Understand, hand, understand, hand. Share, care, share, care. Gold, hold, gold, hold. Next, antonyms. Children, what do you mean by antonyms? Antonyms are nothing but opposite words. They are also called as opposite words. Some of the antonyms on the screen are from the poem, are from this poem. Look at them and repeat after me. Friend, enemy. Friend, enemy. Frown, smile. Frown, smile. Best, worst. Best, worst. Always, never. Always, never. Give, take. Give, take. Love, hate. Love, hate. Worth, worthless. Worth, worthless. Lend, borrow. Lend, borrow. More, less. More, less. Children, with this, we end up today's class. Thank you. Have a good day.